Yep, got one thought here. An idea. Realization, whatever you call it. Just wondering about when we blame one another for a mistake or for something that has happened. It really accomplishes nothing. So by blaming or judge someone for the mistake is kind of making it personal. And that isn't true, because there is no personality behind that kind of mistake. It's simply a misunderstanding to begin with. A misunderstanding of acting in fear instead of love. And the one who acts in fear doesn't really exist in the first place. So you're talking to no one when you blame someone for a mistake, that is. On the opposite side of it, if you can forgive someone and bring the understanding on how we can correct the mistake, then that will accomplish something. And it will correct also the misunderstanding that occurred. It will give a new perspective, and it will be enjoyable for everyone. Just a thought.